Meaning of equinox.
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 Equinox. An equinox is an astronomical event that occurs twice yearly when the tilt of the Earth's axis is inclined neither away from nor towards the Sun. During an equinox, the duration of day and night is nearly equal. Specifically, the March equinox marks the beginning of spring in the northern hemisphere and autumn in the southern hemisphere, while the September equinox marks the beginning of autumn in the northern hemisphere and spring in the southern hemisphere. These events have been observed and celebrated by various cultures throughout history, and they continue to be of scientific and cultural significance today.